What's up, guys? Today we will be opening 5 packs of Premier League cards. I just got these. I didn't get these from the packs. I got them from the box thing from Sainsbury's. So let's get right into it.
Oh my god. 5 packs? That's amazing.
Anthony. Next pack. Sanchez. Bankenka. Ahmada. We got the trophy. We got Gay. And we got Charlison. We got 3, the lucky. And now next. Oops. We got Phil Foden. We got Thiago Silva and we got... Oh, I needed this card. I needed this card for my collection. I got Phil Foden. This is the last next level I needed for my collection. Next pack. So we got XL, we got Garnacho. Did you see that bicycle kick on, I think it was on Sunday against Everton. It was so good. Overhead kick. Bay Jordan. James. We got Manchester City badge and we got Alejandro Garnacho. We got 2 Garnachos in just one pack. That's just crazy. And we're on our last pack. Let's see what we get. We got Ghana. We got Pinnock. We got Antonio. We got Antonio. We got Wolves badge. We got Rafael Nunes and Thomas Partey. Guys, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.